everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're doing I Wanna Be Your Dog. This is going to be a very good exercise for the power chords, fifth chords, and I'm going to do it on a high G string ukulele. We're doing it in the original key, so after that you can play with the original recording and match up the tempo there. So grab your uke and let's see how to play this one. Alright, so throughout this whole song we just need one shape and we'll just move it up and down the fretboard. So let's master this one shape, right? So first we start with the chord of G5, which is barring here on the 7th fret, and the pinky is barring the last two strings on the 10th fret. Here, quick tips for barring. Use here this part of your hand to press the ukulele next to your ribs, and then you just pull with the bar with this hand the fretboard to your left shoulder, right? And that way, even without a thumb, you can do pretty convincing sound. All right, so I'm barring here, then putting the pinky here and the thumb right behind the bar. Okay, so this is the G5. After that we have F sharp 5, which is the same thing, just slide it one fret down, and then E5, 2 frets down. Okay. And the strumming I'm doing is down, 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 up. Then the next chord, down, 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 up. And then on E chord I'm doing down, 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 down. Right? With a little bit of tempo. And that's the main part. So messed up. I want you here. In my room, I want you here. Now we're gonna be face to face. And I'll lay down in my favorite place. And here we enter the chorus, which is just a little bit different. We start with the G again for 4 strums. After that we go to F sharp for 7 strums, and then E for 5 strums, right? So now I wanna be your dog. Right on dog we go to E chord, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is how I'm measuring it in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So this whole thing we're repeating 3 times, and then we go to this G, 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 E, 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 D, D, D. Okay, so this is the same shape, just moved right here, barring on the 2nd fret, pinky on the 5th fret, and then removing the pinky. Basically we have to play B5, but on the ukulele B5 is kind of hard to grab, so we're just playing here the bar on the 2nd fret, just the lower down strings, the E and A string, down, 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 and then going to C5 like this, just barring the A and E string on the 3rd fret, holding a little bit more on it, and then going to E5 again. So let's hear the chorus together. Now I wanna be your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. Now I wanna be your dog. And now. Pam, 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 Well, that's kind of tiring for this hand, but also it's a really good gym exercise for your bar chords. If you cannot do the whole song, just use this as an exercise for barring. Just remember, you should never have any tension in the wrist here. If you have tension in your wrist, this will start hurting really bad at some point. So just try to do this without really pressure or tension in your wrist. The wrist should be relaxed, right? Anyway, that was a quick video to send February away, and I'll see you in the next month. Goodbye.